Can someone tell if you blocked them on Cash App? So let me tell you guys, Cash App does not notify users when they are blocked, but they may figure it out if they try to send you money or a request. Now, what happens when you block someone? The app gives no warning or message to the other person. If they try to pay or request cash, the action will not go through and they cannot interact with your account or see your updates easily. Now, if you'd like to block someone on Cash App, what you have to do is open the Cash App. Now, before jumping on this, let me tell you one thing. Since I can't access the Cash App or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Cash App to walk you through the process. So all you have to do is, if you want to block someone, once you open the Cash App, go to your Activity tab. Tap the clock icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll to find a past transaction with them. Tap on their name or avatar to open their profile, or alternatively search their cash tag in the search bar. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and then select block this person. Then tap block again to confirm. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.